Okay, a lot of times with these receptacles, basically what I try to do is when I put the screw the receptacle to the box, I try to center it as much as possible, because it kind of makes it easier whenever you put the faceplate on for the alignment of how everything's gonna go in there. But also there's ways to make the little adjustments, as needed. Just a step in the process. So sometimes, a lot of times, you can leave it to where you can move it, especially with these, and kind of work it in place. See, it needs to come over like that down here, so I can leave that to where it moves. And alright, I'm gonna need both hands, so come back when I put the faceplate on.